Boys and girls, happy Wednesday. Today is January 6th. Today for your assignments in reading, you are going to continue with asking and answering questions as we did yesterday. So if you need a recap on doing that, you can watch the video from yesterday. Your article that you'll read is Termite Mounds. As always, you've got the audio here if you need to play that as you read along. Then you have just a few questions that you need to answer, and these questions are going to prompt you to go back into the text for your answers. So make sure that you're doing that. That's the purpose of our lesson yesterday and today, is that we are referring back to the text for our answers. So please make sure you are doing that. For English, I've posted it just with this assignment. Your job is to respond to this prompt. Why are termite mounds important to so many animals? You're going to use details from the passage. This needs to be a full paragraph, so 3 to 5 complete sentences. You need to have transition words, capitalization, and periods. I'm looking for a well-written paragraph. Also in English, you'll continue working on your R-controlled vowel slides and your homework for Wednesday. In math, you have a task called Filler Up. And on each of these slides, you have some sort of shape that you will be looking to find the area of. So remember from yesterday that area is the space inside of a shape. So first you're going to estimate how many square feet do you think this swimming pool is. So remember that the little squares that fill up the space are called your square units. And in this case, we are going to call those square feet. And that means it's a foot by a foot. And so think about how many of these you think are going to fit into this space. Make your estimation here with just erase the question mark and put it right there. Then you are going to drag these little squares up into this rectangle. So you need to make sure that they are lined up just perfectly like an array. They should not be overlapping or shouldn't have gaps in between. And then you're going to tell down here what the actual area of the swimming pool is. And you need to use the correct label. So this means that you're going to put your total square feet or foot squared. Okay, you can write it either way because it's not going to be 10 feet total, but rather 10 square feet or feet squared. Continuing on, you'll do the same thing for the dining table. Again, we're looking at square feet here. You're going to make your estimation, drag the rectangles to see the actual area, and then again, correct labeling. So if you don't know what unit is being used, you would just put square units. But when you are being given the actual unit being used, in this case it's feet, then you need to make sure that you're using square foot. Oops, sorry. Same thing with the football rug. You're going to make your estimation, you check your work, and then write the actual with correct labeling. And then you've got a basement blueprint, same thing. And dining table, did I go to the dining table again? Oh, this must have the same one twice, so don't need to do the same one twice. Just re-enter what you had before. And then finally on number 7, you're going to just kind of think about how this relates to your understandings of comparing the areas of the shapes, why it's important to line up your square feet exactly, what could be used to measure area, and how does this apply to real-world situations? You were given some real-world situations. How could it relate to others? All right, so that's kind of some of the thinking that I want you to be doing today as you're thinking about area. Let me know if you need any help with that. In social studies, similar to what we've done the last couple of days, you are going to think about what date you think that these musical inventions happened in. So just kind of thinking about what you know about how technology has developed over time, and use that to help you decide which one you think was invented first to which one it was invented most recently. That is all for today. You do have your special area meet today at 2 o'clock to 2:15. So hop on there to ask any questions or just say hello to your special area teachers. And that is all for today. I look forward to seeing some of you, and I will end with that. Have a great Wednesday, guys.